Dogecoin has just bought itself a one-way ticket to the freaking moon. What is goody, my people? We're back again with another gem. I think that's like my intro thing now. Remember I was telling y'all before I needed to find an intro? I think I found it. Back again with another gem. It rhymes, it's catchy, it's easy, it's mine. But listen, y'all seen the title. Y'all like, oh my God, Josiah, are you serious? Yes, I am serious. Dogecoin is about to literally press the red button on the rocket ship that says don't press unless you're ready to go to the freaking moon. It's about to press it. So that means it's about to go to the moon. In this video, I'm about to tell you guys why I personally think, again, pause real quick. I'm not a person of speaking Englishness, I guess, but I am not a financial advisor. I'm not a CPA. I'm not anybody, you feel me? We're friends. I'm just trying to help you out, man. But in this video, I'm about to tell you guys why I personally believe Dogecoin is going to the freaking moon. The big news that has come out about Dogecoin, hence as to why it's about to go to the moon, and also kind of take you guys through my portfolio, where I started, everything like that, concerning Dogecoin. All right, so boom. I personally hold all of my, well, I used to hold all of my Dogecoin on Robinhood, but the big news is, but Dogecoin is about to be on Coinbase. Well, technically it's already on Coinbase, but we're gonna get into that a little bit later. But if we dive right into here, if we open up my Robinhood, this is my portfolio right now. Most of it is literally just Dogecoin. I have all these other things that I get like when you guys sign up. If you guys want 2 free stocks, 1 free stock, 2 free, I think it's, yeah, 2 free stocks. Use the link inside the description. All you gotta do is sign up, create yourself a Robinhood account, you get yourself free stocks, and I'll get free stocks. So that's how I got all these stocks. I don't do any of my stock trading on Robinhood. I literally, these are all stocks I've got for free. But we're here to talk about Dogecoin. Now, you see my portfolio literally says 18,525. It's literally refreshing right now. This is real, 100% real. My initial investment in Dogecoin was $786. So, math, 786 to 18,500. It's a pretty good return on investment. I invested in Dogecoin at roughly a little less than a penny each Dogecoin. I had been in Dogecoin before, but what is this scheduled maintenance? Oh, but anyways, I thought Robinhood was trying to stop me from being able to sell my stuff. I was gonna sell my Dogecoin here real fast. But I've been in Dogecoin I was in it a long time ago. I only bought like $50 worth though when it was like 0.001 cent or something like that. And I sold it, because I think the $50 turned to like $100, and I was like, hey, this is lit, I'm freaking rich. But if I held it, we would be freaking rich. But anyways, you win some, you lose some. I did win in this. So this is my portfolio right here on Robinhood. As you can see, Dogecoin is at 42 cents right now. It's up 12% today only. But it's up 12% just today, and that is because Coinbase has recently announced that they are going to be putting Dogecoin on their platform. So I don't want to get anybody confused. There's 2 different apps, if you guys did not know. There's Coinbase, regular Coinbase is the blue app that you guys probably all see. And there's another black app called Coinbase Pro. Now, Dogecoin is only being put on Coinbase Pro right now, but Coinbase and Coinbase Pro are the same exact platforms. Today is Wednesday, and tomorrow, Thursday, is when they'll allow you to start trading. Actually, let me pull up the tweet for you guys on Twitter. AMC, I don't know why I was Googling AMC to the moon. I don't even have any AMC stock, but it is going to the moon. I just missed the ride. But if we come over here and type in Coinbase Pro, go to their Twitter account right here. Their latest tweet was, starting today, inbound transfers for Doge are now available in the regions where trading is supported. Traders cannot place orders and no orders will be filled. Trading will begin on or after 9 a.m. Pacific time, which is 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, on Thursday, June 3rd, if liquidity conditions are met. So basically what this tweet means is basically it's now on Coinbase Pro, you can transfer your Dogecoin to Coinbase Pro, but as of right now, you can't buy or sell it on Coinbase Pro. Tomorrow you will be able to, which is Thursday. If you're watching this on Wednesday, it's Thursday, you'll be able to buy and sell this on Coinbase Pro. Now that is if the liquidity conditions are met, which is basically, they're trying to get a bunch of people to deposit their Dogecoin into Coinbase Pro, so they have a bunch of Dogecoin. So they have enough inventory, I guess you want to say, but inventory to be able, when they open up, for people to be able to buy it and stuff, they have enough Dogecoin for people to be able to buy and sell and kind of have a good flowing system there, you feel me? So I'm 100% sure that they're going to get their liquidity conditions because Dogecoin is literally the most searched cryptocurrency of them all as of last week, a week and a half ago, somewhere around there. But they are one of the top most popular cryptocurrencies. So I don't see them having any problem getting the liquidity they need to be able to let all the processes go through tomorrow on Thursday. So you're probably like, hey, what the heck is Coinbase Pro? I only know it's freaking Coinbase. I didn't even know it was a Coinbase Pro. So basically they're owned by the same company, like I said. The only real difference with Coinbase Pro is the fact that the fees are much lower. Like for buying Bitcoin, buying Ethereum, if you buy it on Coinbase Pro, it's way lower than if you buy it on Coinbase. Coinbase is literally like for beginners, people who like just got into the game, you feel me? Coinbase Pro is more for like pros, you feel me? The only real drawback of Coinbase Pro, if you guys want to buy Doge, you can create a Coinbase Pro account. I'll probably leave a link inside the description. If not, there will be a link inside the description actually. But the only difference with Coinbase Pro is that it looks a little bit more complicated. Hold on, I can show you guys. So this is what it looks like. It does look a little bit more complicated than the nice clean interface that we have on the regular Coinbase app. It just has a bunch of these different options. It technically works the same as Coinbase, it just looks a little bit more intimidating, but it literally works the same. There's no downside of it. The only downside, like I said, is that it just looks more intimidating. Like you have your, I don't keep any crypto inside this Coinbase. I barely keep any in regular Coinbase because I have it all in. If you didn't watch this video over there, go watch it. You need to put all your money in there. But, well, that's not financial advice. I'm suggesting, you feel me? But I don't keep any in here, but it does look pretty similar on this screen. But when you're on the home screen like this, it does look a little confusing. But if you want to tread the waters a little bit, it's literally not confusing at all. You can come on here tomorrow on Thursday and buy yourself some Dogecoin if you haven't gotten into the game yet. I will be doing that once it comes on here. Anyways, it going on Coinbase Pro and Coinbase Pro, owner, same person. Well, that's crazy. It's most likely going to go on regular Coinbase, which in turn will make the price go up dramatically more. So basically how I'm taking this, how I'm kind of like handling this situation is usually when there's a lot of news built up around something big like this happening going on Coinbase Pro, or get any cryptocurrency being put on a new platform, especially a platform as big as Coinbase. You guys have to understand Coinbase is literally the biggest cryptocurrency trading platform in the world as of right now. It's the most popular one. Everybody that like, when you first get into crypto, Coinbase is always what people go to first, most of the time. But what usually happens with these type of things is that the news goes out that it's gonna be put on these exchanges, the price goes crazy up until the day that it goes on there. Then that's the day that literally the coin goes on each exchange, the price ends up dropping down because all the whales and all the smart people sell it because they know that everybody, the news already died down. In this game, we call it trading the news. So you don't trade the event, you only trade the news. So how I'm handling it is I will be holding it until tomorrow. As soon as it goes on Coinbase Pro, more people are able to buy it, I will probably sell it off and then re-enter in. That's just a suggestion of what I'm going to do. If you guys want to do that too, you can if you already have Dogecoin. But what this means for Dogecoin, it's literally giving it the platform it needs to grow. Because as of right now, yes, Robinhood did list it. I believe they listed a long time ago. Like I think 2018, something like that, they at least put it on Robinhood. I don't know if you're able to trade it at that point. But yes, Robinhood has it. But if you did not know, Robinhood does not, you don't actually own the coin. It's kind of, they're trading like a stock because you don't have a wallet. If you're on Coinbase, you know you have a wallet. You can send Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. You can receive Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. You can swap Bitcoin or Bitcoin or crypto. When am I talking? Can I English sometimes? Please, just for a video, can I English once? But you can exchange your currencies. You can swap it for a different type of currency on Coinbase or any other crypto exchange. But with Robinhood, all you can do is literally buy it. You can't exchange it. It's not your cryptocurrency technically. You're literally just putting money into this thing, if that makes sense. But it's not crypto. Like you don't own 100 Bitcoin. You own $100 worth of Bitcoin, but you don't own 100. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But like I was saying, this is going to make it finally on a real legitimate platform like Coinbase, especially like I told you guys, this is one of the largest exchanges in the world, the most popular one. So it being put on here as an actual currency or cryptocurrency where you can swap it, you can buy it, you can sell it, you can just do everything you're usually able to do with a cryptocurrency at the ease of having it on Coinbase, which is literally so simple. You can buy cryptocurrency on Coinbase so simply. So it's really gonna give people the option to get into Dogecoin. I wanted to get into Dogecoin. It's also gonna give it that legitimized kind of wrecked now because, oh, now it's on Coinbase. It's not just a meme coin. We went all the way from it being a stupid meme coin that nobody believed it to now being listed on one of the biggest exchanges in the freaking world. This, I don't think you guys understand how big this is, but like I said, if you guys want to make money from this trade, I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. Well, I already showed you guys how I'm going to do it, actually. But you can do that, or you can just buy the Dogecoin and hold it, because I do believe Dogecoin will go higher than 42 cents as of what it is right now. But I'm just trying to go in for a little bit, come out, go back in, you feel me, that type of thing. That sounded weird, didn't it? But anyways, y'all let me know if y'all gonna be buying some more Dogecoin, if you're gonna be trading the news or trading the event, or if you're just buying it and hodling it, you feel me? Hodling it until Dogecoin hits $10. If Dogecoin hits $10, how much money will I have? If I have $18,000 now, and Dogecoin is only at 42 cents, then I'll have $19,000. That wasn't funny? Alright. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like right now. I don't know why I punched my hand that hard. What's the matter with me? I did it again. It really hurts. But sometimes you gotta fight the pain with more pain. But like the video before you dip out. Use the link inside the description if you want to get it on Robinhood. You can sign up, get yourself some free money. Why do I keep punching my freaking hand? Also, we have a link inside the description down below for Coinbase. If you want to sign up for Coinbase, get yourself $10 worth of free Bitcoin if you deposit $100. Free money is free money, you feel me? Also, if you want to sign up and get yourself some money because you're getting money on Celsius by holding your coins in Celsius. Y'all know what I'm saying. Celsius, link inside the description. You can sign up if you store your money in there. You will get interest paid on it as well as the percentage gained from your crypto. So sign up. Deposit $400 and get $40. Boom. I got all the deals for y'all. I got all the ways for y'all to get free money. You feel me? But I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Stay safe. Good luck on all your investments. Let's go.